This video is to show you some great Excel shortcuts for navigating and working with sheets. To scroll through the sheets, if you want to scroll down, you can just select Control Page Down and it'll scroll through the sheets. To scroll back up, you can select Control Page Up to scroll up through the sheets. To select the current and next sheet, you can select Control Shift and Page Down and it'll select your sheet and the sheet next to it. And then you can continue hitting page down to select more sheets. To select the current and the previous sheet, select Control Shift Page Up and it'll select the current and the previous sheet. And you can keep hitting page up to select more sheets. To create a new sheet, you can select Shift F11 and it'll create a new sheet for you. If you want to scroll through to the last tab, if you hover over the little right arrow here, select Control and left click, it'll scroll through to the last sheet. Similarly here, if you hover over the left arrow, you can select Control and left click to scroll back to the first sheet. To see all the sheets that you have, hover over the little right arrow here, right click, and you'll see all the sheets that you have. And you can select one of the sheets if you want to, for example, last sheet, and hit OK, and you'll navigate to that sheet. If you want to select all the sheets in your workbook, right click and select all sheets. Similarly, if you want to undo that action and ungroup the sheets, just right click and select ungroup sheets. And the last shortcut here is if you want to make a copy of a sheet, just select Control, left mouse and drag it across and you'll make a copy of sheet. There were some great shortcuts to work through and navigate through the Excel sheet. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.